Hi guys, welcome back. And today we'll be dealing with the third topic of Unit 4 that I had taken up. That is layout, uh, or we can say the pattern of a business letter, and the styles of presentation. How will you present a particular business letter? Now, as far as layout is concerned, it is basically basically how you superficially arrange your letter. So it is basically the format, or you can say the structure of your uh, business letter. Now it comprises of so many things, so many elements are involved when you think of a layout of a business letter. The very first element can be the stationery that you use. Now, the stationery has a very initial impression on the receiver. It should be the paper you use should be of good quality. It should be very presentable, and so that the first impression, the initial impression that you make through through your layout, uh, in a way uh, it affects positively the receiver of the letter. The second thing is typing. Now, when you write a letter and when you type a letter, there's a difference. If you don't own a good handwriting, that doesn't look good, it looks messy. So people do what, they get the letter typed to give it a good look, a neat look, and that also saves time, because typing is much more faster than when you write a letter. So in order to give a good look, a neat look, and a smart look, they people often in organization prefer typing of the letter. The third element of layout could be margin, where you give a the margin give a sort of frame to the letter, and you leave a margin of around 1 inch on all sides. So it looks like a frame in which you write the letter. So it looks very presentable, very attractive, and so the reader also finds it very neat and clean, and in a very attractive manner. He does not lose his interest, because the way you present your letter automatically ignites the interest in the letter. Now we have the next element called the folding. Now folding means that you should at a very मतलब जितना हो सके आप फोल्डिंग को अवॉइड करें. दैट इज़ मिनिमम फोल्ड होना चाहिए लेटर में, एंड इट शुड नॉट लुक बल्की. Letter should not look bulky, and it should be well pressed, and so that it gives a smart look. So folding of letter is not advisable in any organization. So the minimum folds you make, the smarter is the look of the letter. So you shouldn't make the letter more bulky. More folds you make, it will look more bulky. So you have to avoid folds. And the last element is that of an envelope. Now the envelope should be of good quality. It should be of appropriate size. It shouldn't be that you somehow force the letters to be inside. It should be of appropriate size. It should easily have space for your letters. It should be of good quality, and that is the outer covering of the letter. So it has to be presentable, right? So these were the basic elements which are included in the layout of a particular business letter, which includes stationery, typing, margin, folding, and the envelope. That is the outer package of your letter should be very presentable. Now we talk about the next topic, that is the styles of presentation. Now you have written all the basic basic information in your letter. Now what you have to do, you have to present your letter in a very stylish way, in a very presentable way, in the best appearance, so that when the reader reads the letter, he feels that goodness in the form of information. He feels that courtesy in the form of information. He feels your positive attitude in the form of the presentation. So when we talk about styles of presentation, why do we why do we present the letter in a very stylish way? So that it the reader derives interest in the letter. It should be very clean and neat. Besides, they follow certain styles. The styles are as follows. Number one is modified block. Now, in modified block, what happens? Date, address, the closing of the letter, the signature, they all are put slightly right of paper's center. Mind it, right of paper's center. Now when I upload the PDF, the notes of these topics, I'll give you an example of how modified block is written. So that will help you out when you actually present your answers. Now the second style is indented style. Now here what happens, the address, the date, the closing, the signature, they are slightly indented by 5 spaces. कितना spaces? 5 spaces से वो indented रहते हैं to the right. This is मतलब आप 5 space और right की तरफ बढ़ जाते हैं. This is called indented style. Now again I will be uploading a specimen of indented style when I upload my video, notes. The third style is hanging indented, where first line of paragraph begins at the left hand margin, and the other lines of the same paragraph are indented 3 to 4 spaces. ओके तो इसमें क्या होता है, जो पहला लाइन होता है पहले पैराग्राफ का, वो थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट रहता है, और जितने अदर लाइंस हैं उस पहले पैराग्राफ के, वो इंडेंटेड रहते हैं 3 या 4 स्पेसेस मोर. क्लियर? Again I'll be uploading the specimen, so you can go through those specimen. I'll actually be uploading a specimen of each style, so that you can well understand the theory portion. Then we have the simplified block. इसमें क्या करते हैं कि you write a letter and you do not know to whom you are writing. You do not know the name and title of the person to whom you are writing. आपने लेटर लिखा पर ये आपको पता नहीं है कि आप किसको लिख रहे हैं, उस बंदे का क्या नाम है, उसकी टाइटल क्या है, राइट? And the last one is semi-block style. Semi-block style, where the paragraph of the letters are indented and complementary clause are placed at the right margin. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज, जब आप क्लोजिंग करते हैं तो किधर रहेगा? राइट की तरफ रहेगा. इसका भी स्पेसिमेन हम भेज देंगे व्हेन आई अपलोड माय PDF notes. So dealing with the styles of presentation, we are dealing with number 1 modified block, number 2 indented, number 3 hanging indented, number 4 simplified, and number 5 semi block, और number 6 full block style. 6 तरह के प्रेजेंटेशन है. फुल ब्लॉक स्टाइल, जहाँ कि हम सारे लेटर्स को लेफ़्ट की तरफ ले जाते हैं और बिल्कुल नीट एंड क्लीन व्यू आता है. तो हमारे पास 6 स्टाइल्स ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन है. वन मोर टाइम मैं बता रही हूँ. फुल ब्लॉक स्टाइल, modified block, indented, hanging indented, simplified, and semi block. Now this was all about today's upload. Today's next topic will be dealing with the I think the business correspondence and all that. So in a next video very soon, tomorrow maybe, you will be getting the concluding portion of unit 4. In between I'll be uploading the notes also, so kindly go through it, and if you have any query related to anything, please uh, you can ask me on my WhatsApp account, which is specifically made for managerial skill development semester 2 students, right? So it's a bye from me. Have a good day, have a good time, study hard, and be safe. Thank you.